Time I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back.
What happens when cutting-edge performance meets playful charm, all packed into a sleek 12.5-inch form? Meet the Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro. From blazing fast 120-watt charging and console-level gaming to Apple ecosystem support and even adorable Cyberpets on your lock screen, this tablet isn't just smart, it's surprisingly fun. And wait till you see how it transforms into a wireless Mac touchscreen or even your in-car control center. Stay tuned, this is not your average tablet review. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The tablet comes in a sleek silver box that exudes a premium feel. A single-use security seal ensures the package hasn't been tampered with. No chances of repacking here. Interestingly, even the packaging reflects Xiaomi's evolving design standards and rising costs. The tablet itself is impressively slim and lightweight, almost paper thin. Clearly, Xiaomi didn't skimp on the quality of materials used in this presentation. Now let's check out the charger. As expected from a Pro model, it ships with a high-powered 120 watts adapter, delivering 20 volts output. It also includes a data cable, the same robust type used in the H1, with a wire length of 99 centimeters. Let's talk about the design of the Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro. At first glance, the back design feels like a scaled-down version of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. From a branding perspective, it's a smart example of cohesive family design. But to put it more humorously, it almost gives you the illusion that you could be a Xiaomi designer too. Especially noticeable is the camera module. The Mi Pad 7S Pro adopts a subtly raised, crater-style camera housing. Paired with curved glass that mimics a ceramic finish, it both looks and feels premium in the hand. Material-wise, the Pad 7S Pro features a unibody all-metal construction. Xiaomi has implemented a hidden antenna system, eliminating visible antenna lines across the chassis. This results in a cleaner, more seamless visual appeal. Now, while large tablets sound appealing in theory, a 14-inch slab can be tough on both backpack space and shoulder comfort. This is where the 12.5-inch Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro finds its sweet spot. At just 5.8mm thick and weighing 576 grams, it's a balanced middle ground, striking harmony between generous screen real estate and travel-friendly portability. In simple terms, if the 7 Ultra competes with the iPad Pro, then the 7S Pro clearly positions itself as a rival to the iPad Air. And if you're someone who likes to hold your tablet for long periods, the ultra-slim 5.8mm profile offers a truly delightful experience, both visually and tactily. In fact, it's currently the thinnest LCD tablet on the market. Looking to boost productivity? The Mi Pad 7S Pro introduces a new floating keyboard accessory, crafted extensively from premium magnesium alloy. We tested the combined weight of the tablet and keyboard, roughly at 1.2 kilograms. Thanks to the lightweight nature of magnesium alloy, this keyboard maintains a slim and refined profile. Its C side is fully metallic, reinforcing a premium feel. What stands out is the full-size backlit keyboard, offering crisp, tactile typing that rivals thin and light laptops. It also includes a global trackpad with no input lag, vibration delay, or gesture support issues. The keyboard connects via magnetic pogo pins, allowing stepless angle adjustment from 0 degree to 124 degrees. Both the screen tilt and hinge closure have excellent damping, adding to the premium feel. One minor drawback, when closed, the magnetic force is so strong that opening it with one hand is nearly impossible. Even with both hands, it takes a bit of effort. That's a small trade-off. Most of the time, this floating keyboard is a joy to use. And what's most surprising, it's not exclusive to the Ultra model. Now even the Pro series gets to enjoy this high-end accessory, a truly unexpected and welcome upgrade. Let's turn our attention back to the 12.5-inch display on the Xiaomi Mi Pad 7S Pro. This is an LCD panel with a sharp 3.2K resolution, following the classic 3:2 aspect ratio often seen in productivity-focused laptops. Under a full-screen white background, manual brightness reaches approximately 750 nits, an impressive figure for an LCD screen. Enable Dolby Vision and HDR10, and the tablet automatically recognizes and plays high dynamic range content smoothly. Paired with 4 large woofers and a 6-speaker setup, including 2 mid-tweeters, the audio-visual experience feels rich and immersive, especially for entertainment and media consumption. On the technical side, the screen is calibrated according to the CIE 2015 subjective curve, with brightness levels finely tuned at both 150 nits and 700 nits. This ensures precise color accuracy across different lighting conditions. It also supports Xiaomi's multi-screen color consistency, offering seamless integration across the brand's ecosystem. As for eye comfort, the LCD panel comes with its well-known eye-friendly properties. The Mi Pad 7S Pro includes full DC dimming to eliminate flickering and a hardware-level low blue light filter to reduce strain during extended use. Now let's talk about performance. The Xiaomi Mi Pad 7S Pro is powered by Xiaomi's self-developed X-Ring 1 chip, built on the advanced second-generation 3nm process. This is the same chipset that previously made its debut in the Xiaomi 15S Pro and the Mi Pad 7 Ultra. In real-world tablet tests, this chipset has consistently demonstrated impressive power and efficiency. We tested gaming performance in a controlled environment, room temperature at 25 degrees Celsius and screen brightness set to 200 nits. While playing Genshin Impact using a team setup of Sayu, Yellen, and Twin Winds Resonance, we ran through the city of Sumeru. The result? An average frame rate of 59.7 FPS with average power consumption at 6.99 watts. In Honkai Star Rail during Golden Hour gameplay, the device maintained an average of 59.5 FPS with power consumption at 9.29 watts. Compared to the Mi Pad 7 Ultra, the 7S Pro delivers roughly equivalent performance, making it a capable and balanced choice for gaming, productivity, and multimedia alike. When discussing performance, we can't ignore battery life and fast charging, two crucial aspects of the user experience. The Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro is equipped with a massive 10,610 mAh battery, paired with 120-watt ultra-fast charging. In our tests, the tablet charged to 50% in just 16 minutes and reached a full 100% in only 37 minutes. A standout result in the tablet category. After a typical usage session of around 3 hours, including gaming and general tasks, the device still retained 67% battery, which is an impressive showing for a high-performance tablet. Let's wrap up with a quick look at the HyperOS 2 experience on the Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro. Remember those adorable Cyberpet wallpapers showcased on the Xiaomi Mix Flip? Now you can enjoy them in full glory on the tablet's expansive 12.5-inch display, giving you a front row seat to your animated companion. There's something charming about seeing these digital pets greet you every time you wake the screen, a small but delightful feature that brings a bit of joy to your day. For users working across platforms, the Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro is surprisingly Apple-friendly. By simply installing the Mi Connect app on your Mac or iPhone, you can effortlessly share photos, videos, documents, and more between Apple devices and the Xiaomi tablet. A standout feature worth noting, the Pad 7S Pro debuts official Mac touchscreen extension support. That means you can wirelessly turn the tablet into a secondary display for your Mac and even interact with macOS directly via the touch interface, a seamless blend of productivity and flexibility. And there's more. This tablet is also designed to integrate with Xiaomi's in-car ecosystem. The rear connector supports 45-watt in-vehicle charging, and when paired with a compatible stand, it activates car mode, allowing you to control the car's native infotainment system directly from the tablet, a clever addition for on-the-go functionality. So that was the Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro, a tablet that blends power, playfulness, and productivity in a way that's hard to ignore. Whether you're a gamer, a creative, or just someone who loves a smart, seamless experience across devices, this one definitely delivers. And with features like Cyberpet wallpapers, Mac touchscreen support, and in-car integration, it's clear Xiaomi isn't just thinking outside the box, they're redefining it. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content just like this. See you in the next one.